Hey everyone, we're back in the Lexus of Las Vegas shop. Me, Dominic Gagliano, and John Michelson. And we have a service special this week for you that's good all month long, but everyone needs this one, right? Everyone needs this special. John, what is it?
It's for wheel repair.
Wheel repair.
A lot of times, we might get pushed into a curb by another person or accidentally tap one, and you'll end up scuffing it like this.
Yeah, let's get in there and see that. So here's the damage.
Curb damage like that.
So, John, how often do we get wheel damage on cars?
All the time.
All the time. So that's like my house, not my car, someone else's car in my house, all the time, right? So if you haven't purchased a wheel and tire protection to repair this, John and the team this month have a special, $150 per wheel, and you'll get all this out.
Yeah.
Look brand new.
Grind it off, polish it.
Can we check back in like how long does it take?
Depends on the wheel. This one will probably take like 45 minutes, but
okay. So about 45 minutes, we'll finish up this video, me and John, and we'll check out the repair done for $150, and we'll see you like real soon. All right, and we're back. That was quick. So what do we do, John?
We grinded off the damage from the curb, and then we polished it, and it looks pretty much like new.
This wheel looks great. So this took you about how long?
30 minutes.
Wow.
Halfway.
So no more, and it's shining, no more grinding, and it's shining. 150 bucks, quick, and you got brand new wheels again. Hit all the curves you want. We'll be ready for you at Lexus of Las Vegas.
You might need an alignment if you do that, though.